Hello everybody, 2016 Buick Cascada Convertible is in today's video, which is actually a 2016 Opel Cascada that is already sold in Europe. It is a four-seater that is based on Opel Astra platform that has been on sale for quite a long time. The vehicle is almost unchanged when it became Buick, as only the engine output was slightly increased. Buick has a 1.6-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that is rated at 200 horsepower, and the Opel's engine is exactly the same but rated at 197 horsepower. My guess would be that it is just a paper increase or decrease of 3 horsepower, because in some countries in Europe taxes depend on the amount of horsepower you have in the car. Also 206 pound-feet of torque, and this engine 1.6 liter is going to stay at this point exclusively at Cascada vehicles for now, but it is new engine, and it is most likely will be transferred to other to new Buick vehicles. It has a front-wheel drive system, and at this point it comes only with 6-speed automatic transmission. Also, you can see here 20-inch wheels on this display model. And looking at the size, it puts it in the convertible lineup of all the convertibles on the market, somewhere between Chrysler 200 convertible and also Volkswagen ES. And the rear seats are suitable for adults, obviously with limited amount of comfort. They also can be folded down to expand the trunk space. Heated seats and heated steering wheel are available. And that's pretty much all the information I have about this 2016 Buick Cascada Convertible. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out my channel for my other videos. Subscribe, share and like if you do. But for now, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.